Peter, part 3. All right, on this one, you're actually going to learn the same techniques, but this time we're going to coordinate two hands at the same time. So we'll do a right, left, and we'll do a crossing over. So this is important that your left hand stays on the F sharp. It never moves. The right hand is the one that moves. So we'll do right, left, and then you cross over and play these two black notes. Right, left, left. You'll do it a second time. Right, left, crossing over. The third time you get to keep going down. Right, left, crossing over. And keep walking down the black keys until you get to the last one. You play 3 times. All right, let's play it with the computer really quickly. Again, find the set of 3. The right hand goes on the top black note and the left hand goes on the bottom black note. Right, left, crossing over. Second time, left, crossing over. The third time, you keep walking down. Left, and then right. Okay, play this song until you get it, and then we will put all 3 parts together.